Well, I wanted to give this a try before I got out of the range I could hit, so let's see what we can do. I'm going with Hope's Guide for my main deck. I've got an Occultist for my second deck, and I need the extra actions at this point in order to be able to break lightning, so let's see what I can do. First battle is always really easy. I do have Great Gospel. Hit twice with Faraga Impulse. Knock him down to the range where I can almost break. Check my elements. Does not look good. Switch to Tortoise. Drive Earth. I need enough light to be able to kill him. And save enough to be able to charge Great Gospel for the next round. So, let's see. Let's try this one more time. Looking good now. So, switch back to Try Disaster. Break the boss. Switch up to Cerberus. And now, 1, 2, charge my elements, and 1 down. And now I've got a Great Gospel charge, and I'll also have 1 for lightning, presuming this goes according to plan, which it rarely does. Took the 90% hit, try Disaster again, bring up Great Gospel. There's a little bit of a glitch on this game that if you hit with Faraga Impulse twice, probably because of the paradigms, it does a lot more damage to the yellow bar than if you do it after the first 2 rounds. I'm not exactly sure why. It seems like a bit of a glitch, like I said. Now I need enough light to be able to save a charge for lightning, or I will not be able to beat her. We're going to switch over to fire to make sure I don't break in my chair. Perfect. 4, 3, 2, 1, and Try Disaster. Break. Switch up to Cerberus.
The dawn rises.
1, 2, 3. I have to hit him twice more. 4. Come on, buddy. Okay, got enough. Alright, at this point I have not seen lightning drive elements in, I don't know, 20 rounds maybe, so I'm guessing we got ultimate mode coming up. And we do. Alright, so she charges. I have got to go to Try Disaster once again. Now the key here is I need to hit her enough with Faraga Impulse to get her bar down enough so that I can actually break her. And we are looking real good. Hope's Guide has higher break. I'll hit 3 times. I'll break over to my Occultist now.
The magic courses through my veins.
Storm. And we're going to have a little bit of drama. Let's see here. We used Destroy twice. I've got to get 1 more. Life Orb. Gotcha. Alright. Now I am going to run the long journey. I've tried my other 2 elements. And now it's going to be close. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. For all the marbles,
shattered by waves of magic.
Gotcha. Now it's going to take almost every single one of my blasts of Destrudo to beat her.
Afraid of the dark. Be bathed in shadow.
But I still have 1 charge left, so I still have a little bit of time left here. Alright, so keys to my success is I've got a Hermit Cane. A very, very strong Hermit Cane with a ton of break power on it. But there are things you can learn from my particular experience here. You've got to bring the red bar, you've got to bring the yellow bar down in the first rounds of the battle, and then you need to break the boss, and then you need to kill. So, that's that for that.